Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I just want to quickly break down my ideas that I've been able to discover in the market by the pair that I'm trading in the market before. In this video, I'm going to be breaking down everything that I've been understand by myself by the pair that I'm trading. Including this video is just basically based on pair trading of pair. So if you are new to this channel, do it to smash the subscribe button, like this video and comment below. And right now on this channel, I'm going to every Wednesday I'm going to be dropping a video idea and education lesson that I've learned from the market, experience that I've had so far from the market. I'll be dropping video about that every Wednesday, and Saturday or during the weekend I'm going to be dropping a video about my 5k goals funded. I've been dropping a video about that account on this channel. I'm going to be dropping a video about an account update on that account, and all the trade I'll be sending everything to my Telegram channel. You can do go to my Telegram. The link will be in this video description. You can check it out. So back to the video. When I started trading, all I just learned is that major pair, minor pair, exotic pair. That is all I just learned. And I took all the pair that I have been trading. I have 9 pairs in my watch list that I have been trading. But due to lack of not working strategy, lack of not discipline, I am not able to figure this out. But last year November, I started refining my strategy. I'm using trend line based strategy, although before I'm using indicator, exponential moving average and trend line. I'm using everything together. So I'm just making profit, but the profit that I'm making, I cannot replicate what I make. The trade that I'm taking before, I can just be taking my profit at 1 ratio 1.5. I just trade without the thing that I cannot replicate it the second day. I can just place the trade now and not replicate it the second day. But right now, from January, I've been able to refine the strategy. I've been refining the strategy. For me to be refining the strategy now, I'm able to discover that out of the 9 pair that I'm trading, I discovered that out of the 9 pair, if I took my trading system, I am only able to take 2 trades per day. Taking 2 trades per day in my system, I already know that taking 2 trades per day, and I'll be only risking 1% of my account. Once 2 trades per day, I'm done for the day. Either stop loss or take profit, I'm done for the day. But I've got to realize that for out of my watch list, although I've been able to eliminate me trading volatile pair to be trading non-volatile pair now. So right now that I've been trading volatile pair now, from throughout January, I'm still trading volatile pair, but I go to my trading history, I discover that volatile pair are making me more losses. But from February, I get the new gold funded account. That is the account that I'm still trading till now. The account is still with me. I'm still the challenge phase one. I'm still in the drawdown now. But currently on the account, I discovered something from the past 3 weeks that I've been making a consecutive losses. I discovered something with the account, that this account that I'm trading, I'm not, it's not that my strategy is working, everything is working, but what is making me the losses, more losses, is that the pair that I'm trading, I have multiple pairs in my watch list, that these multiple pairs now, that in my system now, in my system now, in my trading rule that I have, I'll be taking 2 trades per day, either stop loss or take profit. I'm done for the day. 2 trades per day. I now discover out of this 9 pair, 2 setup that I first see, I then took this for two setup. I will took the 2 setup and 8 stop loss, and other setup that I did not took, we went to take profit. And I discover with this I've been able to go to all my trading history. So I go through all my trading history, and I discovered that out of the 9 pair, it is only 4 pairs that is giving me more profit. Right now, I'm going to be right now, maybe I will pause this video. I'll pause video and show you a video of how you can check the pair that making you more losses and more profit on your MT5. So if you want to know the pair that is making you more losses and making you more profit, so you can know the pair to focus more on, and the one that you are going to eliminate, once you come to your MT5 on history dashboard, and you will select the time that you have been trading the account. Let's say I select the last 3 months now and come to this dollar icon at the top, and you can see all the pair that you have been trading. You'll be selecting everything one by one, and by selecting everything one by one, you are going to understand the one that you are going to remove away and the one you are going to leave there. That is how you can able to figure out this. So back to the video. I review everything on my MT5 as I have showed earlier. After review everything, I discovered that out of this 9 pair, it is only 4 pairs. Even it is only 4 pair that is making me more profit. Another pair are making me more losses. I review everything. After reviewing these four pairs, I took them. I backtest everything. After backtest everything, guess what? I still make some losses, but right now in my watch list, I only have 2 pairs, which is GBP USD and GBP JPY, and I've been considering with this last week that I make this decision, and with this current week that we are now, I've been considering maybe I'm going to be dropping GBP JPY and take Euro USD, because Euro USD moves slowly and GBP USD rather move volatile, little volatile. I've been considering that, but right now what I discovered that is my major problem is patience. Since I have been able to eliminate trading multiple pairs, because I'm going to be putting my focus, since my trading rule only supports me to be taking 2 trades per day, as I have my trading plan that I'll be taking 2 trades per day. Right now, with that I have 2 pairs in my watch list on TradingView now, I'll be analyzing these 2 pairs and all the setup that I see, the two trade per day, and if I see any other setup, if I see the first setup, I'm going to be taking it, and the second setup, I'm going to be taking it on each pair. Because instead of me risking, instead of in my system I will be taking 2 trade per day, instead of me risking on all pair before that. This can make me overtrade, but I've been able to replicate this my rule that I'll be taking 2 trades per day for the past month. Now I've been able to use this rule that I'll be taking 2 trades per day. I do a previous video about 2 weeks ago, where I show my trading history, where I am taking 2 trades per day, and taking these 2 trades per day, and I've been able to make profit. But right now, this last week, I review my trade and I've discovered the pair that is making me more losses, and I eliminate that. After eliminating that, right now in my watch list I have two pairs, and these 2 pairs have been on Monday I took a loss, Tuesday I took a loss, today is Wednesday night, time is currently about 8 p.m. I took a loss. But I've been able to discover that what is making the loss on the account is just patience. It's just patience that I need. And I've been, although before I don't basically trade trend line bounce. What is making the losses now is the trend line bounce. I discovered that the trend line bounce, the stop loss of the trend line bounce will be close to my entry. And on, if you are using trend line bounce, the first, we look out for the first touch, second touch, and the touch that bounce. If the touch bounce, we are going in for a buy if it is a bullish trend. And if the third touch break, we wait for a retest before we go in for a sell. But I've discovered it now. What make me the losses on Monday or GBP USD and GBP JPY is that I've seen the first touch, second touch, and the third touch. My stop loss is too wide. Instead of my stop loss to be very close to the entry, very close to entry, because we have known it is a third touch, it is going to move up close to entry and 1:2 and catch the move. My stop loss is too wide, and the market move up and come down to hit my stop loss. The same thing yesterday and the same thing today. It is just a patient. I've been able to learn from that. So right now, basically this video is basically be, if you are trading, although no one will tell you this, but if you are trading multiple, although most knowledge you are going to learn it by yourself, but with the help of me going through my trading history, I go to my trading history and I discover that this pair making me more losses and this pair making me more profit. That is how I'm able to eliminate trading multiple pairs. And most thing, as I have learned that I've learned that the more money you fund, the more money you make. And I have also learned that the less pair you trade, the more profit you also make. Because instead of you focusing on many pairs, will bring confusion and bring over trading. Because once you analyzing multiple pairs, and the pair that you took trade on bring profit, and the one that you not to trade on did not bring profit, this is going to bring over trading and confusion. So If you are new to the channel, do it to smash the subscribe button, like this video and comment below. Catch you in the next video.